And just like before you go, dip and throw.
So you throw right from here. Oh, we throw from here?
Oh my
Well,
god,
I
I
mean,
can't watch this.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get
Yeah, get up here.
And then you guys can get up a little bit. I don't need you guys to be this squished. No, I am.
Okay.
And then you'll just throw.
Dip down. Okay, dip down.
There you go.
Down. Up. Wait, okay. Throw. 1, 2. Down.
Sorry, I didn't know you guys were doing it, so I didn't really.
Let's try it again. That makes sense. That one was easy. 2, down, up. So I'll count, you guys do the beat.
And once we get high enough, I can split in the air.
Oh yeah.
But
Toss her high enough.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. Alright. Ready? 1, 2. 1. Oh!
Okay.
You good? Level it out. Level it out here. Get off of it. Okay, ready?
This is not right.
Why? What?
This. Okay.
Speed up right.
Hold on. You get it from a.
I don't think it doesn't feel right, does it?
No.
Right, so you go up and then we go down as you get on.
Yeah. If you guys get me there and you stay there, it's gonna get tired and you're not gonna be able to do that.
Right. Yeah. Okay, so get your arms ready. So first, how's the count go? He goes 1, 2.
I have my foot up here and he's gonna go ready. 1, 2.
She bounces twice. Bounce twice on us and then up.
Yep.
Okay. All right. At the same pace, boys. Okay, ready? Forward connect yourself. Got a little. Okay. 1, 2.
Woo!
Oh,
That worked.
no way
Yeah.
would I do
That's pretty
that.
cool.
That's good.
Why don't you try it
Now
now?
let's show you higher.
Oh, Will's turn.
Is there a technique to go higher?
You just
Throw it higher.
once I get used to
Once
it,
you
I'll
get
be able to get
rhythm
my
down.
form better, and it'll be easier for you to throw me.
Let's
But
try it
yeah,
again.
Just go
That's
higher.
pretty cool. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there.
See, it's easy.
It's not.
Does that hurt your
You guys getting
feet?
tired?
Your arms?
I'm tired and I'm just filming.
Yeah, we're good.
He's tired and he's filming.
Okay, ready?
Your arms
1,
getting
2.
sore.
We threw at different
Oh,
paces
we
there.
get over here.
I think you.
We were both trying to go. She kind of went sideways and was like,
But that's what's great about having
and I'm just like,
three of you.
Oh, it's good.
One
She
more
kept
time.
her form though, and she just trusted you guys to figure out where she
And we
was.
figured out. Well, I was like, wait. I'm just going for it. I'm like, let's throw her. Yeah. That's all I was like. Is there a better way, like, can you go across or?
That's the basket form. I don't know.
I like it. One more time. Let's do it. All right, let's get
Do you
high.
guys need to switch? Like, is that hurting your arms? Do you guys need to switch sides?
Where's your puppy go?
But then that's kind of weird.
Well, I meant like, because my foot rests on
Yeah,
his.
the really will help. It helped a lot.
We got it. We're going high. I'm going hard. Okay, don't throw too hard.
I thought the wind picked
No
up.
screw ups allowed. You guys have to be on the same pace here. You're not the same height right now, Fitzy.
I know.
Dude, my ass
You
is all the
guys
way to
don't
the floor.
need
Come up a little bit. Come on.
Hey, I think that's the name of a song.
1, 2.
Oh, that feels good.
Oh.
That hurt really bad.
We can solve that now.
That's fine, I still got mine.
Did you hit in the face with her head or what?
Sorry.
Or elbow. Oh. We made it. Alright.
All right.
I'm done.
I think we done with that.